You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this extraordinarily famous city in California. So how do you pronounce it? It comes from Spanish, of course, because it was named by the Spaniards in history. San meaning saint. Francisco would be the Spanish pronunciation. San Francisco is how you say it in Spanish. In California, in the United States in general, they say it as San Francisco. Francisco. San Francisco, California. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.